What's up guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this super fun jump rope trick called the T-toed inverse, just like this. Basically, if you can do a side swing across while lifting your leg, you got this. Grab your rope and come join me. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me on how to do this jump rope trick called the T-toed inverse. All right, we're gonna get started right away. So you're gonna choose what leg you wanna do it on, okay? Either your right or your left leg, whichever one's more dominant, I would start with that one, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate everything on my right leg. Okay, so first we're just gonna get used to doing the position of the T-toed inverse, okay? And that is lifting your leg. You're gonna be doing a cross, but your outside arm is gonna be going underneath your leg, okay? So it's gonna be going just like this. So if you are lifting your right leg, your right arm is gonna be going underneath your leg, and then your left arm is gonna be just doing your normal cross, okay? So it's gonna be this position, just like this, okay? So if it's your left leg, you're gonna be doing left arm under, right arm over, all right? So get used to kind of crouching down and getting that position, just like that, okay? You wanna make sure that you are crouched down low enough so the rope is gonna be able to pass underneath your legs. You also want to make sure that your wrists are staying relatively straight. That way if they're tipping down, you're going to trip over your rope, or if they're tipping up, you're going to trip over your rope, okay? So you want to make sure that they are parallel to the ground, and just get used to kind of going like this a couple times, okay? Because that's the position that you're going to be doing. All right, just like that. So when you feel like comfortable with that, we are going to try the trick. So it's going to be a side swing. So you're gonna side swing to the side that you are lifting the leg, okay? So again, I'm doing a right side, so I'm gonna do a right side swing, okay? And I'm gonna leave my left arm exactly where it is naturally, and I'm just going to take my right arm, and I'm gonna put it right under my leg, okay? It's a lot easier when you have the momentum of the rope. So side swing, cross, okay? Let's try that again. So side swing, cross under, just like that. You can kind of just let it hit your foot right there. And don't worry about jumping over it yet. Just make sure that you got the side swing, cross, okay? Remember, it's going on the outside of your leg, okay? Just like that. All right, so when you're feeling comfortable like that, you're gonna do a side swing, cross, side swing, open, okay? Just like that. So essentially, you're kind of starting it in a side swing, you're crossing, and then you're side swinging out of it, all right? So let's try that again. Side swing, cross, side swing, open, okay? So, side swing, cross, side swing, open is what you'll do. So here we go in slow motion. Okay, so it's just like that, all right? That's really all there is to it. Just keep practicing it over and over again. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Let me know how you did, and if you'd like to learn anything else, comment below. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and I hope you had a great day. Bye.